Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Bullymake box. This is a monthly subscription box for dogs that love to chew, or power chewers as they call them. So these are for the most part made by Bullymake. They do include some other items, but it's toys and treats, made in the United States, manufactured in the United States, sourced from nylon and rubber here in the United States. $39 a month. This is a super high quality. What makes this different is that, first of all, the treats and things like that are kind of catered to allergies. So if you have a dog that has sensitivities, you can be sure that they will take that into consideration. And then the boxes are also by size. They're $39, I think I said that. You have a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if you get this and your dog destroys a toy, you do have, you can let them know and they'll send a replacement. The boxes are adorable. They're always themed for the month. Oh my gosh, do I not have this open? No! Ah! So here I am, I'm back. So through the magic of pause, we now have our box. So this is the June box. And on the back of our card, every month it's packaged differently. Everything is just like so adorable. Like if it's just fun. So, they show you their featured items. You will get like 5. It's usually like 3 treats and 2 toys. One is a rubber and one is a nylon. So they usually put the toys in here. Oh, I'm giving it away. And you guys notice I don't have a dog. I either donate everything. I do open some of those so that you can see the treats, and those I'll pass on to like friends or neighbors or whatever. People I know that have dogs. All right. So here's our first glimpse inside. All right. First we have Bullymake Doggy Kisses. This is a 4.5 ounce package. Oh, I gotta open it up. Maybe I just can't open this one. Maybe I'm just not fit for opening a package. What is going on here? Alright, I'm not gonna be able to open that for whatever reason. I have to cut it, I guess? Anyway, look at the package, how cute! I'm sure they're little kisses though, and that's what I wanted to show you. Here's this month's featured rubber toy. So this is Roll the Dice. It retails, you can go on their website and buy toys and stuff like that. This retails for $18. Feeling lucky, you and your dog can take a roll of the dice. We have placed 3 golden tickets to go inside our Chewy bar. If you receive one, you win a free year of boxes. As for the dice, let's hope this all-natural rubber toy brings lady luck on your side. You can throw it, have your dog chew on it, or use it as a dispensing toy. This Made in America rubber product brings it all to the table. So there's that, and there are golden tickets that you can win, which is pretty awesome. Is it in here? So this is a chew candy designed for power chewers. It's a 0-calorie chew. Is this what they said? Yeah, inside our Chewy bar. Ooh, isn't that exciting? I mean, I hope it's not in mine. I hope somebody that really needs one gets one. Anyway, now I want to open it, but I also don't want to open it, you know? Like I want to pass it on and hope that somebody I know wins or somebody. Alright, so there's that. So this is a Chewy treat for power chewers. Is it nylon? Oh, it's like it is like a nylon chew toy in there. Interesting. That's crazy. Okay, next we have Bullymake Beefy Biscuits. These are also healthy dog treats. They're all healthy. These are all made with like good quality ingredients. This is a 4-ounce bag, guaranteed analysis of crude protein, crude fat, crude fiber, and moisture. Let's see what they look like. Oh, not right. There they are. Ooh, they actually smell kind of good. That's terrible. I shouldn't say that. All right, finally is, oh, I love this package. Look at that cute package with all fishies. So this is salmon and blueberry grain-free treats. Ooh. So they smell not like salmon or blueberry. They smell like dog treats. So that's what they're like, little, you know, those reward treats. So that is everything that I received in my Bullymake. This is super cute. So let's just, in summary, there's 3 treats and 2 toys, and this one gives you the ability to possibly win a free Euro boxes, which is pretty rad, if you ask me. So I will link down below to Bullymake with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my full review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!